Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for C-store owners using Virginia's UST data. So I wanted to start with this blog post on Convenience Talk because it has a list of all the UST databases and are by state. So let me go down to Virginia. Oops. And if you click on this link, it'll take you to this site, which has all the data and records. And so I downloaded this file here, and you can see the different files that are located in this zip file, and the only one I opened is this one. And so if I go down to Excel and bring up, and I did put in some filters here, and so my filters include that it has to be a commercial operation, that the number of UST tanks has to be about 3 to 7. And actually, let me unclick this. Just to say I can include them all. Doesn't really matter. So, so here you can see the results. And so what I have is the name. Oh, and also it has to be an active facility. And then here you have the owner name. You have the owner address. And that's it for Virginia. My name is Melanie. Thank you for watching this video.